Hi boys and girls! Today we're going to sing a song about tricky sounds. These are the sounds that some letters in the alphabet are sometimes hard to say, like the D sound, D, or the L sound, L, or the N sound, N, or the TH sound, which can be th, or it can be th. Are you ready? Well, come on then, let's go! Spring! Shape your mouth, sing along with me. The more we practice big like this, the better we will be. Let's begin with a D. Like do, don't, door, dance, day, dirt, deep. Now L. Lu, lo, lo, la, lay, lo, li. Lu, lo, lo, la, lay, lo, li. Like loop, low, lawn, laugh, lay, learn, or leap. Learn a sound, shape your mouth, sing along with me. The more we practice big like this, the better we will be. Now let's try N. Like noodle, no, naughty, nah, naked, nurse, or neat. Now the TH sound. Foo, fo, for, fa, they, the, fee. Foo, fo, for, fa, they, the, fee. Now the other one that has a slightly harder sound. Lu, tho, tho, tha, they, the, thee. Lu, tho, tho, tha, they, the, thee. Learn a sound, shape your mouth, sing along with me. The more we practice big like this, the better we will be. The more we practice big like this, the better we will be. Well, that was cool. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. See you soon. Bye.